Have you ever stopped to wonder whether what you see is truly what exists? Dive into the realm where perception meets deception, the realm of optical illusions. The human brain is an intricate marvel, a sophisticated processor that interprets sensory data and constructs our reality. At times, however, this highly efficient system can be deceived. This is the fascinating world of optical illusions, where what we perceive is not necessarily an accurate representation of reality. Optical illusions, or visual illusions, play with our brain by presenting images that contradict physical reality. They exploit the brain's strategy for interpreting signals from the eyes, resulting in fascinating and sometimes mind-boggling experiences. To understand optical illusions, we must first grasp how the brain processes visual information. Light enters the eyes and meets the retina, where it's converted into electrical signals. These signals are then transmitted to the brain via the optic nerve. The brain, specifically the visual cortex, interprets these signals to create an image. It's a complex sequence happening in less than a blink of an eye. But why does the brain sometimes interpret these signals incorrectly, resulting in an optical illusion? The answer lies in the shortcuts the brain uses to process visual information rapidly. The brain makes assumptions based on past experiences and general patterns in the natural world. This is an efficient process, but it can lead to errors. Take, for example, the Muller-Lyer illusion, where two lines of equal length appear different because of the direction of the arrowheads at their ends. The brain assumes the line with outward-facing arrowheads is further away and therefore must be longer. This illusion exploits our brain's understanding of perspective, manipulating it to see something that isn't there. Or consider the famous Rubens vase, a picture that can be interpreted as either a vase or two faces in profile. This illusion shows how our brain can't focus on two things at once, flipping between the vase and the faces, but unable to see both simultaneously. In summary, optical illusions are not just fun tricks to play with our minds. They reveal the fascinating processes behind our perception of reality, highlighting the shortcuts and assumptions our brains make when interpreting visual information. They remind us that what we see is not always the truth, but a constructed reality, a product of our brain's incredible interpretative powers. From the Muller-Lyer illusion to Rubens vase, these illusions demonstrate our brain's approach to processing visual data, its efficiency, and its fallibility. They show us that our perception of reality can be manipulated and that what we see is not always what is. Remember, next time an optical illusion leaves you puzzled, it's not your eyes playing tricks on you. It's your brain processing, interpreting, and sometimes getting it wrong in its relentless pursuit of making sense of the world around us. Because in the end, reality as we know it is all in the